Hey my sleepies, and welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back with another mother loving video. Right now we are on lockdown, so what better way to do it than do my hair? So I'm about to do my hair, style it up, do all that other extra shit since I ain't got nothing else to do. I mean, hey, everything's canceled. So yeah, I have been experiencing some really dry scalp, and I don't know where it is coming from or how. Like, my scalp is so freaking dry. It's like even when I spray with water, by the time midday hit, it's dry as hell again. So I bought some grease, the Dax KOCATAH dry scalp. So we gonna mess with this baby today. I got my regular African herbal oil, Africa's best, and I got some lip gloss to look delicious while I do this video. Ooh, coconut. Bam! Alright, so let's get to washing this ish. Okay, so today I'm using the Cream in Nature Moisture and Shine Shampoo as well as their conditioner. For the deep conditioner, I'm going to take the Deep Treatment Mask from SHEA Moisture and apply that to my hair. Yo, that Deep Treatment Mask was bomb. Like, I would definitely go and buy out like the whole wrap again because that shit was amazeballs. But right now I'm washing my hair, just lathering it up. I'm going to fast forward a little bit because who wants to see me wash my hair? To take my conditioner. I actually left this in my head along with the Deep Treatment Mask because I felt like my hair needed it. It was very dry, very brittle. Like, I just needed something to just give it that type of, you know, that soft feeling, like not so dry. Like, I don't want that feeling. So I just kept it in along with the Deep Treatment Mask. And then after that, I went underneath the dryer for about like 20 minutes and just let that sit and soak in and do all that good stuff. But yeah, having locks is fun until you gotta wash it. Like, I hate wash day. This is why I barely put up any videos, because I barely do my hair. And yeah, so if you consider locks and you think about growing it very long, think about what you put yourself through. Listen, do not make fun of me. Yes, I use a garbage bag to penetrate that conditioner. Plastic bags don't do me any justice, but garbage bags definitely do me justice. I know if my granny was alive, she would whoop my ass for wasting out garbage bags, but I needed it, okay? I just needed it. And it worked. Listen, I tried my best to get that conditioner out, and that shit stayed in all my locks. Like, it was so hard. It was like putting oil on the sponge and trying to wash it off, like wash it out. It was horrible. But right now I'm just gonna take this grease and just grease my scalp. This is my first time trying this specific kind of grease. I used that before, but not this specific brand, not the dry scalp one. But I used it when I was younger, and I would never wait this long. Look how I had to spray my hair. I would never wait this long to retwist my hair. I waited like a month, probably longer than that. This wild growth oil is a staple in my routine, and I'm taking this and I'm applying this to the edges of my hair. This is where I don't want to experience any thinning, and I just want to like thicken that part back up. And I really love this oil. I've been using it for a minute, like since I started my lock journey, and it's pretty dope. It actually works. This oil, the Africa's Best natural urban or healing oil. I'm taking this and I'm applying this mostly like to the shaft of my locks to just keep it shiny and looking and smelling good. I also apply this like to the roots of my lock, but more so on the shaft of my locks to give it that shine. Frequently asked questions about my locks is how long I've been growing my locks. I've been growing my locks for 7 years. How many locks I have, I'm not too sure because I definitely did double some more up. But next time I will count. Right now I'm just separating my hair for the hairs that I'm doing. I'm doing half up, half down, petals on top, 2 strand twists at the back, and that's what I'm gonna stick with. I was gonna do something a little bit more funky, but I'm like, you know what? I did this on the client's hair already. I might as well just do it on mine. So hey. New product alert, I'm using the Shining Jam collab with Stasha Harris. She is a beautiful black owned hair stylist, and guess what, she is in my freaking neighborhood, so why not support the girl? So I use this product to retwist my hair. I'm on the verge of like trying out different products. Like I just want something that's gonna work for me. Like it works for everybody else but not me. I want something that's not gonna have my hair flaking. So I retwist my hair with this today, and it held my twist really good. So what I like to do is twist my hair towards the right. It doesn't matter which way you twist it, but I like to keep all my locks going in one direction. I guess some people prefer differently, but I guess it doesn't matter. It just depends on the type of person you are. So yeah. locks, and I'm retwisting them a little bit just to make sure that they are intact. I had to run out midway through drying my hair so it didn't dry fully. So what I'm doing is like retwisting it a little bit at the root just to make sure it's neat, and I am carrying this up into a ponytail, and then I'm going to form the petals. As you can see, I put up my ponytail, I got my 2 strands in the back, and then now I'm going to do my petals. And what you want to do when doing the petals, you want to make sure you do a bunny loop, rubber band, next bunny loop, rubber band, next bunny loop, rubber band, and it will start to look like a flower. If you don't know what the hell you're doing, I suggest you just keep going. It's going to start to look like the petals, and then you can apply pins when or where necessary. Now for the edges, I'm taking the Light Body Edge Control and just applying that to my edges, and then I'm going to take a piece of cloth, tie that bad boy down, and that is going to complete the look. If you guys like this, send some comments down, like, let me know if you're feeling this shit. Like, let me know. I'm feeling it. It's cute. I mean, it ain't gonna last long. Now, I mean, I'll be in the gym. Well, I ain't in the gym because we on lockdown. But, you know, I'll be sweating and shit, so it's not gonna last long. I know it's not gonna last long, but I'm gonna try to keep it as neat as possible. And yeah, that just wraps up everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this shit. Like, comment, share, subscribe, show a friend, show a teacher, show a student, show a cousin, show an auntie, show a grandma, show anybody this. Show them my video. That's it. We done. Say how I feel. I'm never real. I might just say how I feel. Now I can't stop thinking of you. Say auntie. Auntie. Not you, crazy girl. You know how to say auntie.
I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like a...
Me's a girl in a fight over manna. From a Loc Petals just from a tanner.
Yo, we are on lockdown. We can't do anything. Let us out, the government. Let us out. And cut.
Action.
Yo, this is not real, bro.
I'm really weak.
I'm really weak.
Okay. Wait, how your intro go? They can see me over
Yo, do I look like a chef? I look like a chef? Yeah. Do you want me to make you invisible? Do you want me to make you invisible?
I'm like, where's it? He said, hi, mama.